Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about engaging with other Pinterest users. Let's get started. If you want more engagement on your pins, you must do the first move of engaging with other users on their own pins. You can start engaging with similar pins like yours. Use your list of keywords that are relevant to your business. Use the keywords that you have on your list that are related to the niche you are in. Check out the pins that you will discover on the search feed. Look at the profile of the user who shared those pins. See if they have pins and boards that you think are similar to your pins. Ask yourself, is this the right pinner who could be my potential follower or potential customer? If you answered yes to that question, then you can browse their pins and engage on their pins that are relevant to your niche. These users will be notified once another user comments on their pins. This will make them notice your brand and follow you. Keep on doing this consistently, and in return, these people could trust your brand and follow you. Curate other people's content. On Pinterest, you don't have to upload and share your own pins to get exposure on the platform. You can use other people's content. Choose the relevant pins and save them into relevant boards. And you need to optimize the description so that more people can discover that pin when people search for the terms that you include in the description. This will make them notice your brand and follow you. Doing this will increase engagement with other pinners. Increase your Pinterest engagement rate when you create original pins. Pinners are always looking for fresh ideas, inspiration, or products that they can buy. For some pinners, Pinterest is a search engine to look for something to buy. So if you're promoting products that the pinners who are interested in your niche search for, then they're more likely to follow your brand and purchase your products as soon as they see you as a brand that they can trust. Offer thanks. Reach out to pinners who shared your pins. You'll get notified once your pins get repinned. Go to the bell icon to see the notifications. You can see if someone tries on a pin that you've also tried. In addition, you'll be notified once a pinner saved one of your pins. You can check out their profile and comment on the pin and offer thanks. Look for pins to try. Recipe pins are common to have more people to try their pins. You may notice that some recipe pins can attract people to upload photos sharing the recipe that they have tried with their own version. If you browse these photos, you can see the pinners who are actively engaging in this thread. As you can see in this example, there are 20 people who tried this pin. Comment on their shared photo to appreciate their work. You can even like the photo in this section. If this is your pin and people try this pin, then it's a good practice to comment on the pinner's post. These people might check out your profile and discover more of your pins and eventually follow you. Host a contest. Create pins that will attract people to participate in a contest or giveaway. These people will follow your instructions just to get a chance in winning the contest or giveaway. Be sure to add text overlays that will make people see your pins stand out. Add text that will show that your pin is about a contest or a giveaway. You can use the hashtag giveaway or hashtag pin it to win it. If you offer a prize, you can tell everyone how much they can win, and this is a sure way to attract people to share your pin, engage, and follow your instructions. You can show the instructions on the pin so that people will know what to do to have a chance in winning the contest or giveaway. You can write the instructions to follow you, share your pin, and save it on the board with a title relevant to your contest or giveaway. Then depending on what you need them to do, add more instructions for that. You can create a giveaway depending on the holiday too. As you can see, this pin is a giveaway for Valentine's Day. Doing this will increase your engagement with other Pinterest users, and they can even send you a message regarding your contest or giveaway. Now that you know about engaging with other Pinterest users, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Pinterest Tools. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.